Just finished deep cleaning and reorganizing my fridge. I wanted to show you how beautiful she looks before it doesn't look like this anymore. So on the bottom is where I keep my veggies. I have a bunch of zucchinis, avocados, and I've never cooked with these mushrooms before. I think I'm gonna make vegan tacos this week. And then these are my favorite. They're so easy to peel. I washed my blueberries, and then same thing with my herbs. They're just prepped and ready to go. Tomatoes, sprouts. I have all of this ready to be juiced. I have a 5-pound box of dates, so worth it. And then I got these products. I'm gonna try and replace some of my coffee this week and let you know how it goes. Fresh sourdough bread, some kale, and then this is where I keep all of my prepackaged stuff.